One of my favorite volatility indicators to have on my chart is the Bollinger Bands. In this video, we will go over the Bollinger Bands and the 3 different ways that traders use them to trade with. The Bollinger Bands were created by John Bollinger back in the 80s. It has 2 bands, one above and one below the candles. These 2 bands expand when the price action is getting volatile and contract when the price action is calm or consolidating. This is because the 2 outside bands are calculated by using standard deviations. Standard deviations are equations that measure the volatility. It also has a middle or median line, which is usually just a 20 EMA. The first way some traders use the Bollinger Bands is as a channel. They may use the lower Bollinger Band as support and the upper Bollinger Band as resistance. They will likely want to be trading in the direction of the trend. For example, if the stock is in an uptrend, a trader may want to go long the stock if the price hits the lower Bollinger Band. Then take profit at the median, which is the 20 EMA, or the top Bollinger Band. Traders that trade the Bollinger Bands like this like to use the Bollinger Bands to help them see the trend and gauge where the price action is. Is it on the upper half of the Bollinger Bands or the lower half of the Bollinger Bands? Are you getting a discount or is it a little bit extended? Which leads me to the next way traders use the bands, and that is a reversal strategy. Some traders will buy the stocks when the candles are below the lower Bollinger Bands and short the stocks when the candles are above the upper Bollinger Bands. This way of trading would hopefully line up with another indicator because Bollinger Bands will move as time goes on. Some traders actually use the Bollinger Bands as stops. If the price is going against them too much and the candle closes above or below the Bollinger Bands, depending on their position, sometimes the Bollinger Bands can chase the stock down or up. In addition to the reversal strategy, it is important for the trader to look at if the Bollinger Bands are expanding or contracting. If they are starting to expand, that means the volatility is picking up. So it is more likely the price action will continue to be more volatile than it had been. And if it is contracting, then the volatility should be decreasing. Let's talk more about this in the third way of trading the Bollinger Bands. This would likely be traded as a continuation pattern. When a stock is showing a clear trend, then consolidates. While the stock is consolidating, the Bollinger Bands will contract. Just as if you squeeze water in your hand, it will squirt out one way or the other. Same thing with the stock. As it consolidates and the Bollinger Bands squeeze the stock, it's building up power until it explodes, up or down. A trader would likely be trading in the way of the trend in this case, but that doesn't mean it will always go in the direction of the trend. So think about the contracting and expansion of the bands when you're doing a reversal strategy. You probably don't want to be doing a reversal strategy if the bands had just started to contract and are now expanding. The way the stock is going when the bands are starting to expand is likely the direction it will continue to go in. On the other hand, you may want to stop out if the bands went from contracting to expanding and it's going against you. Because as it starts to expand, you know the volatility is picking up and it's possible that that explosion out of the squeeze is going to go the wrong way. So that is actually a fourth way that some traders will use the Bollinger Bands. Watching when it opens and where the price is. This can be seen as a Bollinger Band breakout type of play. In summary, traders can use the Bollinger Bands in a few ways. First, to see the trend. Second, use as an overbought or oversold type of indicator. And third, to use as a continuation or power up indicator. Using the Bollinger Bands to measure volatility can give a trader an idea if they want to get in to predict a move or stay out because it's not moving quite yet. The Bollinger Bands do take some time to practice and understand how they move. So keep an eye on your charts with the Bollinger Bands on there and test out some strategies. And I'll see you in the next video.